Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in nutrition and wellness. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. Are you ready to create a healthy plate that nourishes your body and supports your well-being? Well, you're in the right place because we have some fantastic tips and tricks coming your way. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly talk about the significance of a healthy plate. The food we consume plays a vital role in our overall health and vitality. Creating a balanced plate not only ensures we get the essential nutrients our body needs, but also helps maintain energy levels, support a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. All right, folks, it's time to dish out the knowledge. We're going to share practical steps on how to create a healthy plate that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. 1. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables. The first step is to fill half of your plate with vibrant and nutrient-dense vegetables. Think leafy greens, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and more. These veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for your overall health and digestion. Get creative with cooking methods to add variety and enhance flavors. 2. Add lean protein. Next, let's add a serving of lean protein to your plate. Choose options such as grilled chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes. These protein sources provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Opt for lean cuts of meat and skinless poultry to keep it light and healthy. 3. Incorporate whole grains. Now, it's time to incorporate whole grains into your plate. Swap refined grains for nutritious options like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, or whole grain pasta. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, fiber, and important nutrients. They are the foundation of a balanced and wholesome meal. 4. Don't forget healthy fats. Let's not forget about healthy fats. Add a small portion of foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocado, nuts, seeds, or olive oil. These fats support brain health, promote satiety, and help absorb fat, soluble vitamins. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to fats. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can create a healthy plate that nourishes your body and supports your well-being. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we covered today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your own health plate creations, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Here's to a nourished and vibrant life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.